Hello parents, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vishnu Tejasvi, child nutrition educator. I do talk about child nutrition for the babies between 6 months to 36 months in this channel. So today's topic is the power of Hing in baby's diet. Hing is also known as Asafoetida. It's a spice derived from the resin of the plant roots. It is a very strong and pungent odor, but when you add it in small amounts, it gives a very nice taste to the dishes. When it comes to the context of baby's food, Hing is often used for the health and digestive benefits in baby's diet. So let me tell you a few important reasons why Hing should be used in your baby's diet. So here are some points to consider, and don't forget to watch till end. First one, it's a good digestive aid. Hing is traditionally believed to have digestive properties. So when you add it in baby's diet, a pinch in baby's diet, while preparing this tadkas, so it relieves the gas and then it makes baby's tummy easy. Second one, it's a very good colic relief. When your baby is crying a lot because of the stomach ache, try to add a pinch of Hing in water, warm water, mix it well and offer it to your baby. See the result. Hing is known for its antiflatulent properties. So, for most of the babies, even though when they eat little bit of lentil like tur dal, masoor dal also, they get gas easily. For those babies, if you add a pinch of Hing in their diet, so that will help not to create gas frequently. It has antimicrobial properties. So for babies, frequently they get worms. Okay, so they get affected with the flus also frequently, because if their digestive system is not proper, so this type of issues can happen. So when you add a pinch of Hing in baby's diet, so this helps not to frequently get flu. It's a flavor enhancement. Everybody knows this. When you're adding tadka, when you're preparing tadka, try to add a pinch of Hing. So usually you get two types of Hing. One is the white color Hing, and the other one is a raw Hing. Okay, that will be in the brown color. Try to add this one. So this is a natural Hing. So when you add a pinch in any dishes, that enhances the taste. And finally, Hing can be introduced between 9 to 10 months for babies. While Hing can be introduced in baby's diet, but it is always important to check for potential allergic reactions and sensitivities.